Now, your Alaska Link weather for Anchorage and South Central.
I hope you all had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend, as what we had here into the weekend was pulling into the summertime conditions as we were watching the 60s there stack up between Friday and Saturday. Now into Sunday, we turned to a little more unsettled pattern, monitoring some areas of some rain showers and even some thunderstorms. Now we will continue that here as we head our way into our Tuesday. We were seeing that similar development here for our Monday. Morning low 44 to an afternoon high of 59 for our Tuesday. A little bump up of those temperatures due to us seeing that we're going to have some sunshine in the mix, but that afternoon activity is going to last here at least into our Tuesday, and still could see a similar setup for Wednesday, but that pattern is going to start to break down Wednesday, as we then will talk about more showery conditions and rainy conditions that will bring us into the end of the May. That does end on Saturday. Now what we have here in store for our Tuesday, taking a look at the Dewey's Marine forecast, we're still going to see that sunshine is going to be prominent for the South Central, but lifting into areas of rain showers, especially for the Prince William Sound, will be noted, and also noting that areas running along the Kenai and into the Prince William Sound will bring in some of those stronger winds, as we note over even some 25-knot winds and elevated sea conditions pushing through. Now we'll see that not only will that moisture be in play for our Gulf coastal communities, but we also will see some chances here inland. Day starts off with some sunshine into Anchorage, warming us towards the 60s, but then the afternoon hours, we move into the gap winds, where we see that southeasterly wind pick up some stronger wind gusts for Anchorage, Wasilla, Palmer, Whittier, the Copper River Basin, even Cordova, noting some of those higher gusts, and that being paired up with some lifting moisture. One wave here that is the strongest is going to start to already take place by mid-morning for the Prince William Sound, and that push of moisture is what's going to be able to pull over our Chugach Mountains and bring some chances even to the Anchorage Bowl, some possibility of some showers and even some rumbles building across the valley as well off of the range. Now we will see that sunshine though, as we even note Wednesday will be prominent again, and then Wednesday another weak chance to see a very similar setup to what we have here for our Tuesday and what we've been dealing with. So with though the precipitation, we're noting not big heavy rainfalls, but noting there that numbers on the board inland mean that that chance will continue to remain, and even with the wave of energy lifting into the Prince William Sound, we're staying around a quarter of an inch, some isolated spots there like Whittier trying to get over an inch or over half an inch towards an inch. Now daylight hours is again sunshine will be around for our Tuesday and Wednesday. We are just near 18.5 hours, where with that sunshine for our inland spots, that should allow for us to climb near the 60s. Our Gulf coastal communities staying into the lower 50s, as we'll battle more of those gloomier skies with likelier rain showers. Again, rinse and repeat setup for Wednesday. Wednesday could trend a little drier, but then we are going to watch for more widespread shower activity to take us into the weekend.